a great choice today with the 2019 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, stability control, navigation system, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel drive, floor mats, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, rear defrost, universal garage door opener. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.